p.m. At 5:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairchild 9 miles south of Ice to near Galesville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, law enforcement reported widespread wind damage across Trempealeau County. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fairchild around 5:15 p.m. Hubbard around 5:25 p.m. Greenwood around 5:30 p.m. Penfield around 5:35 p.m. Loyal around 5:40 p.m. Bealsville around 5:45 p.m. Shortsville around 5:50 p.m. Millston around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Franklin, Highway 73 and 98, Shamrock, the Black River Correctional Center, Tioga, Otters, Floydton, Perry Creek Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 94 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Clark, Wisconsin,